Welcome back to SKIBIDI Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you the latest working method to install the updated brand new signer app, KSign, right on your iPhone or iPad, without a PC and without jailbreak. And yes, it works on iOS 15, 16, 17, and even the latest iOS 18.5. So let's get started. First of all, you need to download the latest KSign IPA file from the link in the description and then save it into your iOS device. Then open Safari and then open SKIBIDI Tech website. I will put the website link in the description. Then hit on Download SKIBIDI. Now wait a bit, and then once it shows you allow, hit allow to download the profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now open setting, and then open downloaded profile, and then hit install, and then hit install again to install downloaded profile in your iOS device. Now you will see SKIBIDI Tech app on your iOS device home screen. Now open the SKIBIDI Tech app.
It's too late now, I remember everything, and how careless we could be.
Then hit on Upload option at bottom. Now hit on Choose Files. Then simply select the KSign IPA file from your downloads, and then hit Open. Now wait for it to upload. Once it's uploaded 100%, now it will show you green tick. Simply hit on green tick, and then it will give you different names options. Simply select any one of them.
We were so loud, we were so proud, we had no doubts. Weekends and weekdays, we'd spend our own way. We were careless, we were fearless, we were reckless, time was precious. We loved to waste time, whiskey and wine, drinking all night, asleep by your side.
Then simply hit Sign.
We would just drive, never arrive, our journey was live.
Now hit Install, and then hit Install again to install latest KSign app in your iOS device.
Stay young and so bold, never get old, screw what we're told, we can't be controlled.
Once KSign is installed in your iOS device, now open Setting, then open General, and then open VPN and Device Management. Then open Enterprise app, and then hit Trust, and then hit Allow and restart to let KSign work in your iPhone or iPad. After restart, now you will see that the KSign app will start working without any problems. And that's it. Now you can install your favorite IPA files without APC or jailbreak using KSign. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more iOS tips and tricks, and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I'll help you out.